My name is Dr. Lester Woods, and I'm the convener here at the Source Summit Global in Columbia, Missouri, serving our local community, but not only just our local community. We're striving to bring about upward mobility, supportive services, workforce development, business development, and just a hand up for people in the community, in all communities across the region, across the state, and of course across the country. This is actually our 5th annual Source Summit Global, and we've had panelists from community-based organizations such as Love Columbia, Job Point. We've had panelists from higher education, as well as people from Columbia Public School Systems, some of our corporate organizations here in the city, such as Veterans United, Equipment Share, and a host of other vendors, the City of Columbia, Crown Counseling, Job Point, Equip Her. I mean, from small organizations all the way to large organizations, all coming together in unity, in partnership to support people in the community for upward mobility. On Thursday night, we had pretty much just a networking, a meet and greet with our vendors and our sponsors. And we also highlighted quite a few of our staff that works with First Last Mile valet service, and then of course some of our volunteer leaders with the Source Summit Global. On Friday, we had a full day of workshops, sessions, and discussions, as I talked about earlier, finance, housing, and workforce development, business development. But on Saturday, we're going to focus specifically and talk to some of our faith-based leaders and have a discussion around poverty. We've got a local organization called CMCA who's coming in to talk about a poverty simulator and really help us walk through the life of a person who's in poverty and how they have to matriculate in the community and walk from, if you will, from organization to entity to find help and support just to not thrive, but just to survive. And so our faith leaders are going to come in after that and really give us some help and understanding on how faith is important to the journey, but how they as faith leaders can also partner with these organizations that we've heard from today throughout the summit and making a better quality of life for all people in our community.
We know that Columbia is a very unique community because it has people from all walks of life here. And so, people have shared from their personal stories, things that they've encountered as it relates to various aspects of, financial well-being or various aspects of being able to trust those within the education system. That's really important, is just to be able to get that feedback from the community, from those who've attended the conference so far.
I'm the founder of the Success Map Initiative. I was brought into the Source Summit as the keynote for today's event, as well as yesterday's event. And I ended up meeting the chapter out here, Mr. Lester Woods, and we stayed in contact, and here we are. I did a keynote presentation from Felon to Forbes, really kind of walking individuals through my life of going from a felon to being in Forbes. And then in the afternoon, I sat on a panel, facilitated a conversation where, which included some youth who were in college, high school, as well as administrative team. And we really just talked through public schools and what some more things that could be done to enhance that for the youth, program-wise as well as relationship-wise with the staff at the schools. And so I'm hopeful that you guys are able to band together and start to collaborate more, because all that's going to do is increase the impact, the positive impact that you guys are having.
And let's think about the word source. The source of the summit is to bring those like minds together so that we can get somewhere.
I think the Source Summit is all about collaboration. That's that one word, and we heard that several times today. We are not here to compete, we're here to complete. And if we complete each other, the only way we can do that is by partnering, working together, and collaborating. And that's what the Source Summit is all about.